What the camera looks like on the reverse camera that I put on my license plate. It's an external one. I have this car that is great up here, except it doesn't have the reverse camera. And when I look through the back windows, it's pretty small. There's a lot of dead space there, and then the back window is kind of in an angle, so it's kind of small. So basically, and then this one is small, as you can see. So when I'm backing up, there's quite a big blind spot, and I've almost hit 2 people because all I can see is from the chest up on an adult. So there's that huge area. So basically, if you look through the back window, I can see not quite the bottom of the garage. And then there's dead areas over by the window and the car on the other side. So if I look at this, now it's not stuck on yet, so it's kind of bouncing around and it's got these fluctuations with the car bumps. So, but you can see, I can see right behind the car, all the way to the garage, and I can see all the way past the window and the car on the other side. So you can see that gives me a lot more area view when I'm backing up. And it's hooked up to the rear view light, so I'll put it down there. Oh, I think once it's stuck on with Velcro or whatever, it'll be better. You can see it's bouncing with the car. So I take the car out of reverse, it goes dead. So basically, you just push it off. Once it's on with Velcro, it'll be better. I just need to get some. So it's off. You can leave it on all the time, but I don't like that little flicker. So basically just off, and then when you are going to reverse, you just turn it on and put it in reverse, and it takes a second to the light to change the light setting. It takes a minute when it starts up, but if I left it on all the time, it wouldn't have that LCD take a minute thing. So you could leave it on all the time, but if you're not reversing, I don't know that it's worth it. So I just need it at grocery stores and parking lots, basically. I don't even need it at my house. I just need it. So anyway, I just wanted to share that. That's a pretty good clear color LCD screen. I think I'm going to mount it right here on the dash, but it comes with a little holder and whatever, and it didn't take too long to install, except that I couldn't get the rear thing on my car off very easily. But I think it's worth it if you have a car like mine that's just the reverse isn't really clear. It's probably worth it. So check out my blog, thesecretisgratitude.com. And I did take a video while we were installing it to give you some tips on how to get it through the gaskets and things more quickly and easily that I learned the hard way. So check out that video as well. Thanks for watching and have a blessed day.